Morning. It's my rest day and I plan to vlog. 12 noon! For ang ngit-ngit gahapon. Akong higdaanan. But, diri ko natulog. Kapit pa kayo, ang hipos pa ko. The reason why dira ako natulog because pag rest day na ako, gusto ko dugay ko mabangon. Pag diri ko matulog, sayo kay kumakamata tungod sa init because it's facing east. And kagabi brown out alas 7 to 11 na ning balik ang kuryente. So, power bank, napay pampatay lang. Pampatay lang ako diri, wait lang. So, dili mo baon kung dili malowbat. So, mag-charge ako and then manghipos. Morning. O, diba, hayag na. And, kabalo ka na brown out because naima pa kandila. So, 12 naman, mag-brunch siya ta. What I have here is roasted chicken pesto. Hindi na lang po kung mag-sunscreen. It's important kahit nasa loob ng bahay. The only lie about this video or this a day in my life is wearing bra. Maulang na ang atik dari. The rest will be raw. I don't wear bra inside. On with some hot sauce. So, usually, 2 days yun na ako rest day. Basta 2 days. First day kay monang time limpyo. Limpyo as in general cleaning. And the second day, monang time na totally free day na ako. It's either magawas, or kung walay lakaw, for me to track my calories. Like yung breakfast ko kanina, it's pesto sandwich from Starbucks. So, that's 386 calories. Nescafe stick. 7 calories daw. Sige, yun na yun. Breakfast ko, lahat-lahat, 409 calories. I only have 1,233 calories budgeted per day because, so, that is just an estimate. Hindi naman yun, sakto or accurate. I mean, close to reality or realistic pa din na estimate. And then, for me to track also, I have timbangan here. I've been doing this for 2 months na. Hopefully, ma-reach ko yung goal ko. And, nadadari akong walking path. Ay. Yep. It helps me stay active. Active, hindi naman siya super active, but at least may activity pa din ako kahit work from home. Diba? Anong oras pa? 1 p.m. So, I think I'll go outside. Okay, last na kong story. Alauna. Kalon, anong oras na? 1:55. It's been an hour. Nag-doom scrolling ko, guys. Pa ko'y nabuhat. Yes, maglaba ko. Gamay naman siya. Wala na siya. Tulog ka buko lang handa. Tsaka isa ka. And so, I am done. Laba. So, mga 27 minutes lang. Kasi time check 2:27 p.m. So, dali na siya. Dili na ako na ginapadaghan akong mga labunon because wala ako'y washing machine dre. Wala ako'y dryer. So, hanggat sa oras ko maglaba ko. Wala po ko space for washing machine. So, kaya hand wash lang. And dili po ko ka pa laundry. And daan ako manghalay. Diba? Very aesthetic. Ilis na akong shorts. And gawas na ko. Shy type ko. Dili ko makatok-tok sa labas. Going up. Walang patatas. I'm back home. Super init. It's already June, but the summer heat continues. Diba? I'm saging and I also dropped by sa katabing bakery for this one. May dalawang patatas at saka onion. I have visitor, guys. Ako'y visitor. Alright, na-distract ako sa aking visitor sa Kalapate. I closed my window kasi hindi ako naririnig ang ingay sa labas because sa labas is skyway na yan siya. Anyway, let me just have some sweet treat. So, I can only eat one because this one is 75 calories na iyang isang piece lang. So, I don't wanna deprive myself sa mga cravings ko. So, I can still eat what I want, but I wanna make sure na intentional siya. So, like this one, I can eat one. The reason why I am filming, first, there are two reasons. The first is naka-CapCut Pro ko. And wala mo ko yung video na i-edit. So, sayang akong subscription kasi naka-promo eh. So, before na ko siya i-cancel next month, at least masulit na ako for 1 month. So, at least mag-film day ko. I love watching content creator na solo living. So, why not? I'll make my own version a day in my life. Another reason, the second reason why I'm filming, it's because I have been living solo for 4 years na, and then siguro may mga few months na may kasama ako, but that 4 years I can say I'm really living solo. I wanna romanticize this life. Someday hindi na ako solo. So while I still can, while I still have the opportunity, I will document for my future self na anytime baka gusto kong i-relive the moment na balikan ko itong mga videos na to. So yeah, I'm filming it for my future self and I'm sharing. If no one will watch, it's okay because it's for myself. I'm posting this sa TikTok because TikTok is my safe space. Siguro sa YouTube din i-post na ko siya. Dapat naka-landscape din siya. But anyway, sa ngayon, yeah, this is just trial. For 1 month, marami akong i-edit. Sayang akong CapCut eh. Aside from soon, hindi na ako solo living, baka I'm renting this unit eh. So, baka anytime, lilipat ako, you know. Kaya nga, I still have the opportunity to film and I am still nakasubscribe sa CapCut Pro. I will film and edit. Let me just eat. Diba? One advantage na nag-brown out gabi is nagamit na ako ang sulod sa go bag. I prepared this go bag way back October 2025 katong uso ang linog, especially sa Mindanao. Gawas na ako mga flashlight, which is ibalik na ako. Nagamit na siya. Ay, napaka-chocolate. And then, another flashlight na battery. Balik na ko siya. At least na sila na charge, pati ang power bank na charge, 'di ba? I pray no fatalities and casualties anymore. So, let me just show you also what's inside my go bag. So, I have Swiss knife, this lighter. This is the perfect time para bisitahon na lang pud na ako ang go bag. Pangit kaya akong background. Okay, let's check. Okay, may face mask. Ano to? Mga towel, tissue, hygiene kit. Then, the passports. Yan, nandito yung passport. Ano to? Another important docs. May ballpen, Sharpie, ID, bank. Basta mga documents niya siya. I also have photocopies of ID, PSA, and then I also have emergency contacts. I have here number ng aking partner, ng sister ko, at saka ni Papa. This one is first aid kit. Basta, everything. Power bank, cords, and charger, which I will be putting this back. And I do not wish to use this, guys. Di baling mabulok, basta ginagamit. I also have mga damit. I have extra shirt, whistle, damit, hygiene kit, documents, some important documents, passport, another important doc, power banks, cords, and charger, safety kits, also the first aid kit, flashlight na rechargeable. Ito yan siya kasi easy access. Yan, dyan yan siya nakastore. Dyan yung flashlight. My door, exit. That's it. Okay, it's 4 p.m. and manageable na yung init. So, nakabihis na rin ako ng pambahay. It's not a workout clothes. Pambahay lang to. As long it's comfy. That's the advantage na diri lang sa sulod mag-walking kasi I don't need to wear workout clothes. Basta comfy lang. What's non-negotiable is shoes. Yeah, as long as my shoes ako, I've been using these shoes for magto 2 years na din. Kasi same lang sila ng walking pad. Sabay-sabayan sila. Kasi mainit yung surface ng pad. So, at least protected yung paa mo. And para di ako mabore, I usually watch vlogs or magpapa-music. And yung music naman, like mga Blackpink, basta lively music. So, Hazel King tayo ngayon. 45 minutes. Okay, I'll start.
Napakalaki ng Busan Station. Time check it's around 8.
Do 9 kilometers. Yep. 9 km per hour. Okay, balikan ko kayo later. 30 minutes done. 15 minutes to go. Same speed. So, 5 minutes left. This is where I start to decrease the speed from 9 to 8.5. Because every minute or every 30 seconds, decrease for another 0.5. Okay. 15, 10, and then distance natin reach 6.35 kilometers. 5.0 na lang yung speed. And then, done! So, 6.35 for 45 minutes. Okay, we're done! Oops! Okay, pahinga lang ako saglit. And then, ginugoogle ko guys, kilometers to miles. So, halimbawa, kanina, 6.35 yun, di ba? For 45 minutes. 6.35. That's a total of 3.9 miles for 45 minutes. Lagay ko siya dito sa workout, walking, 45 minutes. And that's a total of 3.9 miles. 3.9 miles for 45 minutes. Save. So, 357 calories. So, in short, I still can eat. Dami. Okay, so, I don't know how accurate the walking pad is, kung tama ba yung distance na na-record. But what I am very sure of, I brisk walked for straight 45 minutes. And I know it's good na. And then kung hindi man siya accurate, at least it's nearly accurate. And i-double check ko kung through ChatGPT. So halimbawa, I walked for 45 minutes and I reached 6.35 kilometers. Can you give me an estimate calorie count and average speed? Though, ang formula naman dyan is average speed equals distance and time. Ayoko nang mag-math. I have ChatGPT na, diba? So, 6.35 kilometers divided by 45 minutes or 0.75 hour, it's equivalent to 8.47 kilometers. So, which is accurate siya. Kasi yung speed ko kanina is 9 kilometers per hour. Tapos, nung 5 minutes left na lang, nag-reduce na ako ng speed. So, that's why, nakalagay dito, 8.47 kilometers. So, it's accurate. It's nearly accurate to almost accurate. Oh, parang uulan. Lumi. Kumukulo. Basta doon na side, ulan na siya. I decided na maligo na lang muna ako bago magluto. Yay! I'm fresh! It's been 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, 5 days na to and so far, surviving though may mga kailangan na itapon. And meron itong sugar at saka vinegar kasi nakita ko lang sa TikTok, that's how you preserve pala. So medyo, na siya, rotten na yung, may mga dark na, but you look at that! 5 days. So, hindi ko siya itatapon hanggat hindi siya completely rotten. Rotten ba? Or basta sira? Distract lang ako. I'm done! I'm fresh! And surprise! Wala na yung ulan. The sky is so clear! Parang dumaan lang yung ulan. Siguro mga lang. Isang oras lang yung ulan. Which is good. And ready na ako magluto. Okay, that was a struggle, guys. Tatlo, ito na yon, ito. And then yung isa nasa air fryer. Hindi ko na kayang iprito siya, girl, kasi nagtalsika na. Hindi ko na binidyo yung whole process because nagtalsika na everywhere. Hindi siya nakakaganda. And may talsikan ako. Look at, yeah, red. Gamay lang na, pero sakit. Kaya gi-air fry na lang ako to. And while waiting sa isa ka na, sausawan na ako. So, cucumber, ginger, onion, titimplahan ko lang. Sa side dish / sausawan ako. So, just use chili flakes. Yan. Hot sauce na lang din para may kick. White vinegar. Okay. Konti lang. Oops, that's it. Sugar na nasa Tostitos. Ay, it's too much. Finally! Makakaon ako. Ang dami kong seremonyas bago makakain, guys. Nanggugas pa ko sa uagi. Nagtrapo pa ko floor kasi oily kaayo. And have black tea. Iced black tea. Ito yung mga inuwi kong tea from Taiwan. Yung mga complimentary ng hotel. So, ang dami kong inuwi. Kaya, I prefer iced black tea. May libangan while kumakain is watching vlog. And I'm so happy kasi yung favorite vlogger ko na The Senzons, they uploaded their new episode na Yunnan, China. And
Tango Travels. Yes, so follow nyo sila.
you can see, may hindi pa ako na sobra pa dyan because may darating akong bisita, kakain pa yon. Kaya, yun. Pang tulog na tayo and ready for skincare. Diyan na yung bisita ko. Yes, another breakfast for tomorrow. Ay! Sinigang na hipon. This is for tomorrow. And also, I have breakfast. And I think I'm going to end my vlog here kasi masyadong mahaba na. Naglisod na kong edit ane. And then, look at my face. Update. It's red na. And thank you so much for watching. Kung nakaabot ka dito, thank you so much. But if not, okay lang. Good night. Work na bukas. Bye!